Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a tutorial over how I got this beautiful look. Okay, so as you can see, I have my jailhouse braids going on. Next I'm going to put on this cap. I got this cap from the beauty supply store. Cost maybe about $1 or $2. And I usually put two of those on. One, because I like to protect my hair from the glue. Number two, it gives you a better, flatter look. So this is the hair that I got. It is Gardena, Model Gardena, $24.99. So very affordable price. Very nice hair, silky straight. You really can't even tell that it's cheap, in my opinion. I really like it. So And what I did while I waited for that first jack to dry, I went ahead and put a barrier on my head with a spritz, and that also helps protect my hair from the glue as well. Next, I just laid the tracks regular going around my head, and I'm just going to do that all the way up until I get to the lace front part. And then once I get to that part, I'll be back. So looks like we're almost halfway done. So I just wanted to show you guys how I lay my tracks. I use the Pump It Up spray. I just spray a little bit on there. Then I give it a little blow dry. Make sure it sticks good. Make sure my tracks don't slip. That definitely does help. And I am feeling it. I am loving it. Hey, hey, okay, okay, what, hey, hey, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. But yes, you guys, I am feeling this hair. So far, so mother good. So here I have some old makeup that I bought probably years ago from the dollar store. Some old foundation, and I'm just going to use it to help blend in my part on my lace front, and that'll help it make it look natural. So I am filling it, as you can see, once again. Next, what I'm going to do is cut the perimeter of that wig cap, because you do not want to keep that around your head. It gives you headaches. Well, it gives me headaches. So I like to cut around it and get rid of that band. So you're just going to cut around the perimeter like so.